In the last class, we discussed about relations, isn't it? Okay, initially we discussed about set. From the set, we learned about Cartesian product. From the Cartesian product, we have learned about relation. What is a relation?
Subset of Cartesian.
Subset of a Cartesian product. Relation is a subset of a Cartesian product. Now we are going to learn about functions. Okay, the next thing we are going to learn is a function. What is a function? Okay, what is a function? Okay, so before that, let's recall a relation. For defining a relation means we need two sets. R is a relation from A to B. We need A and B as two sets. Okay, it's a relation. A we call it as, okay, A to B. R is a relation from A to B. B we call it as codomain. Okay, now we are going to define function. What is a function? A function is a relation. It is a relation in which every element in the domain, suppose this is A, this is B. Every element in the domain should have unique image in B. Every element. Okay, I'll give you one example. After that, we can make it thorough with the definition. Listen, children. Suppose you are given like this. Okay, I'm marking 1. Now listen. Is it a function? Now listen. You can write afterwards. Now listen to me. Okay. Suppose we take the element 1. Can you give the image of 1? Can you give the image of 1?
A and B.
A and B. So we will get 1A, 1B, isn't it? 1 is related to A, 1 is related to B. Then if we take 2, 2 is related to C, not C, it is B. 2 is related to B and 3 is related to C. Here, this is a relation. This is a relation. But for function, what we need is every element in the domain should have a unique image. It should have only one image. Now, if I take 1, whether 1 is having unique image here? If I take 1.
No.
Okay, children? Okay, power failure was there. That's it. Okay. So what we are discussing? We are discussing about a relation, isn't it? Okay. What is a function? Can you give what is a function? It is a relation in which every element in A should have a unique image. every element in A should have a unique image. We are discussing one example there, isn't it? A, 1, 2, 3. Suppose we have elements like this. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, is this a function? Is this a function? Look at the element 1. If we take the element 1, 1 is having two images. A and B are the images. Therefore, it is not a function. Is it clear? A relation is said to be a function if every element in the domain, in the set A is having a unique image. It should have a unique image in B. Okay, I'll give one more example. Okay, suppose it's like this. 1, 2, 3, A, B. Is this a function? One, can you give the image of 1, Shivani?
Yes.
Yes.
A.
1 is mapped onto A. What about 2?
B.
B. Now, is this a function?
Yes.
Although the images are unique, now listen to the question and I'll give the definition one more time. A relation is said to be a function if every element in the set A has a unique image. Now tell me whether this is a function or not. Yes. How many of you go say yes and how many of you say no? Is there any answer, anyone with no?
3 does not have an image.
What is the answer? Punya, what is the answer you are saying? Is it a
3
function or
doesn't-
not?
No.
No. Why?
3 does not have an image.
Very good. 3 is not having any image. Okay. What is the definition? A function is said to be a relation is said to be a function if every element in the set A, if you take any element in the set A, it should have some unique image. Okay, every element should have some image. So this is not a function. This one is also not a function because images, same element is having two different images. So it's not a function. Suppose I am giving like this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Now this one, is it a function? Is this a function?
Yes.
Aditya, is this a function? Is it satisfying the conditions? What is the condition? Every element in the set A should have a unique image.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is a function.
Okay, this is a function. Although here D is not having pre-image, we have to look for only the images. Every element in the set A is having a image. Therefore, it is a function.
Ma'am,
Yes.
definition of function. Definition of function.
Definition of function. A relation. A relation F from A to B. A relation F from A to B is said to be a function. A relation F from A to B is said to be a function if every element of A, has one and only image, has one and only one image in B, or in other words we can say unique image. If every element in A has unique image in B, Okay, now listen to this question. Now listen to this. 1, 2, 3. Is this a function? Aparna, is this a function?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, this is a function. Why this is a function?
Ma'am, because the set A
Ah.
is connected with B.
Okay, every element in the set A has some image. And if you take one element, that element is having only one image. What is the image of 1? A. The image of 2 is A. Image of 3 is A. So it is a function. And this one we call this as many to one. Many to one function. Many to one. Many are mapped onto the same element. So we call this as many to one function. Okay, it is a many to one function.
Ma'am, will you please repeat that?
Okay, now listen here. If you take the set A, in set A we have the elements 1, 2 and 3. And B we have the elements A, B, C. Here the image of 1 is A, image of 2 is A, image of 3 is A. So if you take the set A, all the elements in set A is having some image. Every element in the set A is having image. And each element is having one image itself, only one image. The images are unique. The image of 1 is A, image of 2 is A, image of 3 is A. Therefore, this is a function. Okay, this function what we call, many elements are mapped onto one single element. So we can call this as many to one. We can call this as many to one. Is it okay? Now,
Yes,
is it okay? Okay. Now write down the next one. I'll be giving some relations. You have to find out. Okay, write the question. Check which of the following relations are functions. Check which of the following relations are functions. Which of the following relations are functions? Find out, find the answer. Which of the following relations are functions? Which of the following are functions? So I'm giving 3 examples here, R1, R2 and R3. Which are functions? Can you give the answer?
R1
Uh,
and R3.
R1 and R3 are functions. Why? Why? Others, can you follow this, children? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, is it a function? See, listen, the easy way is you check whether the first element is repeated. If the first element is repeated, then we can say it is not at all a function. Look at here, 1, 2, 3. So if you take the first relation in R1, the first element is not repeated. So this is a function. If you want, you can draw the arrow diagram and you can check. What about the second case? Whether the first element is repeated.
One has two images.
Yes, if you take the element 1, it is having 2 images. Therefore, it is not at all a function. Is it clear, children? How to find out? Is it clear, Atul? You check the first element. If the first element is repeated, is it okay, Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomlin? Any doubt in this one? How to check when a relation is given? How to check is it a function or not?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Now here, what about the third one? If you look at the first element is not repeated. Okay, the first element is not repeated. Therefore, this is also a function. This one is also a function. Is it okay, Shivani? Second element, image may repeat. Image can repeat. Shivani, is it okay? Children, are you doing the homeworks regularly? And is it ready in your file? You have to submit it. And last week when I asked, only few did. Until now, I didn't get all the Everyone's homework I didn't get. Only few have posted it. Okay. Now write the next one. Next one. R4 is equal to set 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. So don't give the answer. I'll call someone. You have to give the answer. R4, R5. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. R6 is 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. R4, R5, R6. Which are functions? Find out. Which of the following are functions?
Ma'am, all are relations.
All are relations.
No.
No.
Listen to the question here. What is asked is it all are relation?
R4 and R5.
R4 and R5. See, question, listen to the question. What is the answer? He said it is all are relation. It is a relation, isn't it? If you take the Cartesian product, a subset of Cartesian product is a relation. So it may be a relation. Now, the question is it a function? Whether these relations are functions. That is the question. Whether these relations are function. Navrin, can you give R4? Is it a relation? Is it a function?
Yes, it's a function.
It is a function. Why it is a function?
Every element in A is
Having unique
having
image.
unique image.
Okay, so it is a function. Okay. Aditya Satyan, R5.
Ma'am, it is a relation.
It is it a function? R5. Is it a function?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Yeah. Okay, it is a function. Okay, it is a function because the first element is not repeated. Krishna Chandran, what about R6? Krishna Chandran.
Function.
R6, it is a function.
Yes.
What is the definition of function?
If first element is repeat, function is a relation in which every element in A has a unique image in B.
Every element in the A has unique image. Now, can you give the image of 2?
2.
Image of 2 is it 2 alone?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Then is it unique? Is it unique? No. Then how you can say it is a function? Is it satisfying the definition of function?
Okay. No.
What is the definition of function? Every element in the set A should have unique image. Is it that whether the image is unique here?
No.
No. Therefore, is it a function?
No.
No. Okay. Therefore, this is not a function because the element 2 is having 2 images. If you look at here, the first element is repeated here. Therefore, it is not at all a function. Okay. So, these are some samples we did with. Okay. Now, the same thing we can give in roster form also. Okay. Suppose I am giving a relation like this. R is equal to set of all x, comma y. Set of all x, comma y, where y is equal to 2x and x belongs to n. Set R is equal to set of all ordered pair xy, where y is equal to 2x and x belongs to n. Is this a relation? Is this a relation? Write the question. If this is a relation, give the domain, codomain, and range. Sorry, is this a function? My dear children, change it. Is this a function, not relation? Is this a function? Is this a function? Give the domain, codomain, and range. Give the domain, codomain, and range. So R is set of all ordered pair xy, where y is equal to 2x and x belongs to n. What's your answer? What will be your answer? Ashwin? Is it a relation? Is it a function? Sorry, not relation. Is it a function? Okay, so although this is given in roster form, you can do it in your notebook, in your answer sheet. For the board exam also you can do. X belongs to n. N means it is a natural number. You can draw this figure and you can check. Okay, it goes on endless. It is an infinite set. Here also, the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is again an infinite set. If we take 1, what is given here? X comma y, where the second element is double of the first element. So 1 will be mapped on to
2.
2. 2 will be mapped on to
4.
4. 3 will be mapped on to 6. Okay, now tell me, is it a function? Is it a
Yes.
function? Yes. If you take 1, image of 1 is 2. You will get one distinct images. Isn't it? We are getting distinct images. Therefore, it is a function. Distinct elements have distinct images. Therefore, it is a function. Now, can you give the domain? Can you give the domain here? Can you
Set-
give the domain? Yes. Tell me.
Set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.
Set 1, 2, 3. In other words, we can write this as n itself.
N.
What about codomain?
2, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4
That
itself.
is again n itself,
N.
isn't it? What about the range?
2n.
2,
2, 4, 6, etc. That means we can say this as set of all even natural numbers. Okay, set of all even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Okay, so now next thing we are going to learn is real valued function. Listen children, real valued function. So now we learned what is a function. When will you say a function is a real valued function? Okay, now we understood what is meant by a function. In which case we will say the function is a real valued function. If the codomain is a subset of R. Whenever the codomain is subset of R. What is R? What is R? Whenever codomain is the subset of R. What is capital R?
Set of
Real
real
numbers.
numbers.
Set of all real numbers. Okay. So whenever we get the codomain, as R, or if it is a subset of R, then we call that function as a real valued function. Whenever the images are a subset of a real number, then we can say it is a real valued function. So a function is said to be a real valued function if the codomain is R or it is a subset of R. A function is said to be a real valued function if its codomain or range is a subset of R. If it is a subset of real valued numbers, then we call it as A real valued function. You can give the real valued function. Is it okay? So what is a function? What is a function? Dia, what is a function? Dia.
It is a relation in which every element in A must have a unique image.
Every element in the domain has a unique image. Then we call it as a function. Okay, and then we learned about real valued function. Okay, now we are going to learn some standard functions and their graph. Some standard functions and their graph. Okay, some standard functions and their graph. So under that, the first one we are going to learn is, identity function. First function we are going to learn is identity function. Okay, so these functions and all we should learn it thorough, that graph and all. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, next year this graph and all we'll not be drawing it again and again. Whenever you are given a function, identity function, that time itself you should get what is the graph, what will be the graph. Like that you should get it in your mind. Okay, this is just definitions we are learning. Its application we'll be learning in the next year, 12th standard. Okay, now what is meant by identity function? Okay, so identity function is defined as, it is a function from R to R given by f of x is equal to x. Element is mapped onto itself. If the element is mapped onto itself, that's what we call this as identity. Identity function is given by f is a function from R to R where f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x. Okay, so what will be f of 1?
1.
1. What is f of 2?
2.
2. What will be f of 3?
3.
3. Isn't it? So 1 will be mapped onto 1. 2 will be mapped onto 2. That means each element is mapped onto itself. If you take 1, the image of 1 is 1. If you take 2, image of 2 is 2. So that's what the identity function is given by f of x is equal to x. What will be the domain here? What is the domain? What is the domain here? F is a function defined from R to R. So what will be the domain? Can we define the function for all the real numbers?
R.
So domain is R. What will be the range? Range is R. Range is also R. Domain is R and range is R. Now we are going to draw the graph of this function. So whenever you are given a function y, whenever you are given a function f of x, we can name this as y. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x. The f of x value we will take it as y. Okay. I'm going to draw the graph. So f of x is y. I'm going to draw the graph here. So I am drawing both the two axes, x-axis and y-axis. X, x dash, y, y dash. These two will meet at the origin, 0. So now, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise here we will have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Now listen children. If we take x is 1, what is the image of 1? What is the image of 1? F of x is x. So 1 will be mapped onto 1 will be mapped onto 1. Is it correct? If we take 2, 2 will be mapped onto 2. If we take 3, image of 3 is 3. If we take minus 1, minus 1 will be mapped onto f of x is x. So minus 1 will be mapped onto minus 1. If we take minus 2, it will be mapped onto minus 2. Minus 3, it's mapped onto minus 3. If you join all these things, you will be getting a straight line passing through the origin. It is a straight line. That straight line will pass through the origin. Image of 0, what is image of 0? F of 0 is 0. So you'll be getting a line passing through the origin. Is it okay, Aryan? Can you follow this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the function we are learning is identity function. So identity function is given by f of x is equal to x. So if f is defined from R to R, domain will be R and range is also R. In this case, we will be getting the graph as a straight line passing through the origin. This one we have learned in 10th standard itself, isn't it? What is the graph? Can you give the graph of a linear equation? What about the graph of a linear equation? Graph of a linear equation is a
Straight line.
straight line. Okay. If we take y is equal to x, if we want, we can write this as y minus x is 0. Is it a linear equation? Y is equal to x. If we take x to other side, we will get y minus x is 0, which is a linear equation. So, graph of a linear equation is a straight line. So, this y is equal to x, y minus x is 0 is a linear equation. And the graph is a straight line, which passes through the origin. One more thing, and okay, if the constant term is 0, whenever the constant term is 0, that graph will pass through origin. Whenever the constant term is 0, that graph will pass through origin. Okay. So what is a function? What is a function? What is a function? Karthik. Function is a?
Function is a relation if every domain, if every element in domain has a unique
image. Every element in the domain has unique image. Then we learned about real valued function. If the domain, okay, whenever the range is a subset of real numbers, we call that as real valued function. The next we have learned is some standard function, and that only one function we have learned today, that is identity function. Is it okay? Identity function, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in that function?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Okay, children, we can end up with this. Go through that MCQ question bank, prepare it well. Okay.